Welcome to the bizMail Quick Start program. The 4 video tutorials in this program will get you up to speed with your new bizMail account and actually deliver your first campaign in 30 minutes. The first video tutorial will give you a tour of the dashboard so you will know where to find your account information, menus, and campaign statistics. The second video will walk you through adding new prospects to your database and building your first mailing list. In video number 3, you will build and edit your first email message. Finally, in the 4th video, you will build and deliver your first bizMail marketing campaign. In this video, we will walk you through the basic bizMail menus and screens and how to build and deliver a bizMail campaign. Let's start by showing you around the home screen, your bizMail dashboard. Logging into your account brings you to your dashboard screen. This is where you can monitor everything about your account, the performance of your campaigns, and access the menus and screens. On the right side of the dashboard is the account information panel. Here you can see your delivery plan and your renewal date. You can review your billing history. You can purchase additional deliveries and enhanced services. And you can renew your monthly subscription. Below the account information panel are your delivery stats. Here you can see the total number of emails available in your subscription, how many you have sent this month, and how many you have left available this month. Below that, you'll find your email stats. Here you can monitor how many emails were opened, how many emails you've sent, how many emails were delivered successfully, and how many were bounced or deferred. In the middle of the dashboard screen, you currently see white space. After you deliver your first campaign, this space will contain a graphic display of your outgoing email statistics. Because you have not yet delivered any emails, there are no stats to display at this time. In this example, you can see how a graph instantly shows you the impact of new campaign deliveries. The graph and your email statistics are updated continuously through your subscription month. On your subscription renewal date, all data returns to 0, thereby isolating each month's performance. On the left side of your dashboard, you will find the menus. You can access the menus anytime by clicking on the Menu tab or anywhere on the red menu bar line. Here you will find the Home menu for accessing your profile, changing your password, and contacting BizApps. Below that is the bizMail menu with sub-menus for prospect management, where you can add, search, or export prospects in your database. List management, where you can build and manage your lists. Message management, where you can build your email and other messages. Mail management, where you can build your campaigns and handle subscribe requests. And of course, the Schedule submenu, where you can schedule to run your email campaigns. There are 3 levels of help in bizMail. First, there are the helpful hints on most screens. Second, selecting the help icon next to a field provides assistance for that field. Third, selecting the help icon on a tab opens a help screen. When you open a help screen from a tab, a pop-up appears. The help icon on a tab will open a new tab in your browser, and you could lose the data entered in the screen in the first tab. The pop-up gives you an opportunity to cancel your help screen so you can save your work and then reopen the help screen, clicking OK. The same thing happens when you open a screen from the Help menu. That completes your tour of the bizMail dashboard and menus. Just remember that information related to your account and deliveries is on the right. Menus and screens are all on the left, and your campaign data will be presented on a graph in the middle. Now, let's see how you use those menus and screens to build and deliver your first bizMail campaign.